Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, I want to talk to you about an easy way to make money online. Have you ever heard of the saying, easy come, easy go? Well, that doesn't have to be the case with this opportunity. With just a computer and an internet connection, you can earn $150 by simply typing names. It's that easy. But you might be wondering, how is this possible? Let me explain. There are companies out there that are willing to pay people to type out lists of names. These names can be used for a variety of purposes, such as creating mailing lists or organizing customer information. This type of work is often referred to as data entry, and it can be done remotely, which means you can work from the comfort of your own home. So, how do you get started? First, you'll need to find a reputable company that offers data entry jobs. There are many websites out there that connect freelancers with companies that need their services. Some popular ones include Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Once you've found a company that you'd like to work for, you'll need to create a profile and apply for the job. Be sure to include any relevant experience you have and a strong cover letter to increase your chances of getting hired. Now, how much can you expect to earn from this type of work? It really depends on the company and the specific project, but on average you can expect to earn around $150 for typing out a list of names. Of course, the more experience you have and the faster you can type, the more money you can potentially make. So, if you're looking for an easy way to make some extra cash online, give data entry a try. With just a computer and an internet connection, you can earn $150 by simply typing names. It's a simple and flexible way to make money from home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on ways to make money online.